Good morning, everyone. Myself, Mrs. Kanchan Suraj Upadhyay, the principal of the prestigious Institute of Akuz English Medium School. I wish my all tutors a happy Teachers' Day. It feels like birthday today, doesn't it? I am proud to be the principal of Akuz English Medium School. I am sure you all are the reason for my pride. Seeing hundreds of teachers make me really excited today. You, as a teacher, leave a deep mark in the heart of the students which can't be erased. Today, in this pandemic period, the way you are facing the online classes, making videos, trying to give 100% of your skills is really appreciable. And when I watch you in the videos, I am so much proud. They are my teachers. They are working so hard, teaching students at excellence using the teaching aids for each and every subject. I'm happy seeing you using your different skills. You're updating yourself. You're ready to do anything, whatever your principal instructs you. Because of you and your contribution, the school is really enhancing. On this occasion, I would like to share few thoughts of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam which have inspired me and motivated me. What is that one action which will make you great? Every one of you has a page in the history of the world. What is that page? How do you make that page which is going to be referred by the prosperity? There is need to give a vision to your ambition. What I will be remembered for? Each one of us will have to ask that question. If you find an answer for this question, that out of box idea will drive you for the rest of your life. You will be definitely thinking something different on your out of box vision. What are they? We learned every youth wants to be unique, but the world around you is doing its best day and night to make you just everybody else. Whether you want to be you or everybody else is convenient at the first glance, isn't it? But not satisfying in the long vision, right? The challenge, my young coaches, is that you have to fight the harder battle which any human being can ever imagine to fight, and never stop fighting until you arrive your destined place. That is the unique you. You get the unique you is a big battle. The battle means you don't need to take a gun. The battle means you have four unique things, four unique tools you must have in that battle. The first one is you have to set the goal. Second is you have to acquire the knowledge continuously. Third is hard work with devotion. Fourth is perseverance. That is continuous efforts despite of difficulties and failures. Where there is righteousness in the heart, there is beauty in the character. Where there is beauty in the character, there is harmony in the home. When there is harmony in the home, there is an order in the nation. And when there is order in the nation, there is peace in the world. See, coaches, if you salute your duty, you no need to salute anybody. But if you pollute your duty, you have to salute everybody. We as a teacher, we as a team has to create a lifelong autonomous learners. Teaching is a very noble profession that shapes the character, caliber and future of an individual. If the people remember me, you as a good teacher, that will be the biggest honor for us. Right? Let us we sacrifice our today so that our children can have a better tomorrow. If a country is to be corruption free and become a nation of beautiful minds, I strongly feel there are three key social members who make a difference. They are the father, the mother and the teacher. Yes, the teacher plays very important role in creating the future of the country. I hope all these things which I have shared with you will definitely enhance and will encourage all of us as a team and we will surely going to achieve our goal. Once again, I wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day. All my lovely teachers, your dedication is really wonderful. You have to continue this. Once again, I wish you happy Teachers' Day. Happy Teachers' Day. Thank you. Bye bye.